Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your laptop supports Thunderbolt 3 or 4 and that the dock's model matches required specs, because compatibility prevents power or display errors. Next, plug the dock into its AC adapter and a live outlet. Powering the dock first stabilizes USB and video negotiation. Once done, connect the supplied Thunderbolt cable to the dock, then to your laptop. This order helps the host detect the dock cleanly. Make sure the laptop is on or in a wake-ready state, so device authorization can proceed. You now authorize and configure connected devices so everything functions together. Open Thunderbolt Control Center or the BIOS prompt and allow the dock. This is why authorization is important. It grants PCIe and video access. Then install HP dock drivers and apply firmware and BIOS updates. Updated firmware resolves many handshake issues. Once drivers are in place, attach monitors, Ethernet, and USB peripherals, and set your primary display in Windows or Mac OS display settings so window placement and resolution behave predictably. You finish by checking that the laptop is charging from the dock, that Ethernet shows a network connection, audio routes to the expected device, and monitor resolutions match intended settings. Adjusting display scaling avoids blurry text. Tidy cables and configure power settings so the dock behaves during sleep or lid close. If a problem persists, power cycle the dock and laptop, unplug AC, hold power for a few seconds, then reconnect, and try a different certified Thunderbolt cable. This tip resolves the majority of detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.